Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by parking the Mercedes ML350 on level ground, engage the parking brake, and remove the key. Wait 10 minutes after ignition off to let control modules sleep. Wear nitrile gloves and eye protection, and connect a 12V memory saver to the OBD port or cigarette socket to preserve radio and ECU settings. Gather tools: a 10mm wrench, 10Nm torque wrench, insulated terminal puller, and a replacement 12V battery rated about 600 cca. Have a helper available to lift the battery safely. Open the hood and locate the battery in the front right compartment. Start by loosening the negative terminal clamp with a 10mm wrench and move the cable clear of the battery to avoid contact. Next, loosen the positive terminal and remove it. Then unbolt the hold-down bracket bolts and carefully lift the battery straight up with a helper, because the unit can weigh roughly 40 pounds. Inspect the battery tray and cable ends for corrosion. Clean with a baking soda paste, rinse, dry, and apply dielectric grease to terminal clamps. Lower the new 12V battery, rated about 600 cca, straight into the tray and ensure it seats fully. Reinstall the hold-down bracket and tighten its bolts to 10Nm to prevent movement. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening clamps snugly with the 10mm wrench. Start the engine to confirm stable idle, charging light off, and electronics functioning. Recycle the old battery at a certified recycling center. Remove the 12V memory saver, and reset clocks, radio presets, and windows if all.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.